What's up, Sentinels? Today we are joined by the LaSalle Medical and Health Sciences Institute's SHS faculty. In this episode, we will be turning the spotlight on her and asking her fun, informative questions about their students and their profession as a whole.
My name is Nancy Lipata Deluta, Chair for Creative Alternative Educational Program for the Special Health Sciences Senior High School of the LaSalle Medical and Health Sciences Institute. I chose to teach at the Special Health Sciences Senior High School because as a nurse myself, I have this passion of helping students who are interested in pursuing careers in health sciences. Aside from being the preferred school and employer, the school provides a unique opportunity for senior high school students to immerse and engage with different health-allied courses offered at DLSMHSI in a subject called Health Work Immersion as the first step to their ultimate dream of becoming a doctor in the near future. I believe that teaching in this environment allows me to contribute to shaping future healthcare professionals by providing them with the knowledge, skills, and mindset they need to succeed in this vital industry. Additionally, I find it inspiring to work in a school that emphasizes specialized education, preparing students for real-world challenges while supporting their growth and development. Ultimately, being a part of this community enables me to make a meaningful impact both in the classroom, within the senior high school family, which I consider myself my second home, and where love and appreciation for every faculty member are constantly evident. Attending the Special Health Sciences Senior High School offers several key advantages for students interested in pursuing a career in the healthcare field. Number one, we have specialized education where students receive a curriculum tailored to health sciences, which provides in-depth knowledge and skills specific to the healthcare industry. Well, this gives students a head start in their careers by introducing them to concepts and practices they will encounter in college or in professional healthcare settings. Next is the early career exploration, wherein the school offers opportunities for students to explore various health-related fields such as medicine, nursing, pharmacy, dentistry, and allied health professions. This early exposure helps students make more informed decisions about their future career paths. Next is we have this hands-on learning in senior high school demonstration and return demonstrations of healthcare skills like hand washing technique, vital signs taking, the bandaging technique, or bed making, or etc. These are incorporated in a tailored fit curriculum. This hands-on learning is crucial for students to understand real-world applications of what they are studying. Next is we have this increased college and career opportunities wherein graduates of the Special Health Sciences Senior High School are often better prepared for college-level studies in health-related fields. Their specialized knowledge and experience make them competitive candidates for further education and internships. Next is we have these for us to be able to respond to the Department of Education's mandate of producing employable senior high school graduates, we are in full swing as far as preparation is concerned to offer a TVL program in caregiving with plans to launch it very soon. Another thing is we have this Japan Study Tour program. This program offers senior high school students a unique opportunity to travel to Miyazaki Prefecture in Japan, where they can gain first-hand experience of how elderly care facilities operate. Through this program, students will be able to understand the importance of compassion, patience, and professionalism in caregiving, while also learning about the advanced techniques and technologies employed in Japan's elderly care system. Well, this experience aims to broaden students' perspective and equip them with essential skills and knowledge that could contribute to their future careers in caregiving or related fields. We also have networking opportunities for special health sciences senior high schools, often have strong connections with healthcare institutions locally and globally. These connections provide students with networking opportunities that can be valuable when applying for further education or entering the workforce. Overall, attending the Special Health Sciences Senior High School can provide students with a solid foundation for success in health-related careers, setting them up for long-term achievements in a rapidly growing and rewarding industry. I think it's this discovery of antibiotics, wherein antibiotics play a crucial role in health by treating bacterial infections and preventing their spread, and they work by either killing bacteria or inhibiting their growth, which helps the body combat infections. One time, I happened to visit a relative confined at the LSUMC, and I was surprised when the attending intern or doctor was one of my former senior high school students. I remember I had taught him how to assess the blood pressure and how he is actually doing it in front of me. So he seemed so shy that he couldn't do much of what he needs to do, saying, "Miss, nahihiya tuloy ako." What drives me to keep making an impact through education is the belief that teaching has the ability to transform lives. This inspires me deeply. For me, education is not just a job, it's a passion and a way to help shape the future, one Filipino student at a time.
Thanks for watching, Sentinels. Comment down below what questions you would want us to ask for our future videos. See you next time.